हेलो एवरीवन वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू अनअकैडमी सो कैसे हैं आप लोग डियर स्टूडेंट्स as you know the Unacademy has become the India's largest online learning platform. So no doubts they have hired the India's best faculty team to train you for all kind of competitive exam. So let's crack GATE ESE with India's largest online learning platform. Get the plus subscription now and start accessing the unlimited live and the recorded video lectures by the India's best educators. So there is a great announcement for the mechanical engineering student. You can inform all of your colleagues or the friends, those who belongs to the mechanical, that a new batch, a fresh batch, that is a batch A, is going to be launched on 28th December at 6 p.m. The classes will be held on a daily basis. You will get the update, and these are the legendary faculty who are just going to start your batches. I think most of you know about the Kulkarni sir, Rajiv sir, Jitendra Gill sir. So these are the faculty who will take your lectures for the mechanical batch A. So myself Ajay Das, I am MTech in Computer Science. I have a 8+ year of teaching experience in GATE. Also work as a freelancer in many reputed institutes of India. Qualified the GATE exam 5 times. Apart from that, also qualified the Chhattisgarh State Electricity Board exam with the AIR 8. So, my dear students, download the Unacademy Learning app and start your journey sitting anywhere, anytime. What you will get? This is the major question which always used to arise in everyone's minds before taking the subscription. So, I have just written some formal things that you are going to have after taking the subscription is the daily life classes, structure courses, live test and quizzes, unlimited access. But the best part of the Unacademy is the learn with the top educators. So I have just listed some of the educators, those who are associated with the Unacademy in different branch, like from the electrical, electronics, civil, similarly from the mechanical and electrical. If you want to know more about the educator, those who are associated with the Unacademy, their history, their backgrounds, their experience level, what you can do, you can just download the Unacademy Learning app. You can check the profile of each and every educators. Also, apart from that, you can attend few of their free special classes, which is free of cost. And to access those classes, you have to use my promo code. Got it? So, as you know, the GATE conduct their exam for the various branches, but I have only mentioned only those branches over here for which the Unacademy is preparing you for the GATE as well as ESE, like electronics, computer science, mechanical, production, instrumentation, chemical, mathematics. So these are the branches for which the Unacademy is basically preparing you for the GATE and ESE. As you know, for some only for some of the exam branches the ESE exam is valid, but for the rest of the branches all GATE exam will be conducted. So if you want to take the subscription in GATE or ESE, there are two different subscription model. First one is the plus, second one is the iconic. So if you are looking for the plus, then these are the subscription fees which I have mentioned over here. Okay, these are the subscription fees which I have mentioned over here. This is the subscription fees of the 1 month. Similarly, this is for the 3 month, this is for the 6 month, this is for the 12 month. So if you are taking a subscription for a 12 month, please try to understand. If you are taking a subscription for the 12 month, your fee structure is 30,000 under the subscription model of plus, which is already running from the last 2 years. Okay, so once you will apply this code which is written over here, which will be also used to unlock the free special classes. As I told you, if you want to access any free special classes by any one of the educators, you can use the same code to unlock the lectures. Okay, so once you are using this code, you will get the minimum 10% discount, and after the discount your final fees will become this. So these are the discounted fees just after applying the code IFA. Similarly, if you are getting a subscription for the 18 month, this is your actual fees, but after the discount this will be your applicable fees, and this is for the 24 month. Got it? And these are the discounted fees for the 24 month and the 18 month. This is all about the plus subscription. Now what about the iconic? This is the second subscription model the Unacademy has recently launched, and we are getting a lot of response. from the students. So my dear friends, in case of Iconic, there are only two subscription model. One is the 12 month, second one is the 24 month. So if you are looking for the 12 month of subscription, your fee structure will be 50,000 around, and for the 24 month it will be a 74,000. But once again, you will apply the code IFA in any one of the subscription model, you will get the minimum 10% discount, and these are the fees just after the discount. Might be one question is executing in your mind that, sir, there is a fee difference of almost 40% between the plus and Iconic. Why? I will tell you the answer of each and everything. But the most beneficial things that you are going to have, you can pay your fees in a EMI form. You can pay your fees in a EMI form, and no EMI cost will be chargeable if you are taking a subscription for 6 or more than 6 month. Got it? So अगर आपने एक महीना 3 महीना का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया है तो वहां पर आपको EMI कॉस्ट भी पे करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर आप 6 मंथ या 6 से ज्यादा मंथ का कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान लेते हो तो आपको उस सिचुएशन में कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन फीस नहीं पे करनी पड़ेगी. Now let's see what is the difference between the plus and Iconic. See, if you are getting a subscription inside the plus, then these are the things which you are getting inside the plus. The first one is the India's best educator that you will get everywhere. Second one is the interactive live classes, structure courses and PDF, live test and quizzes. So these are the things, of course, the unlimited access. These are the things that you are getting in a first subscription model, that is in plus. In case of Iconic, all the things that you are getting in the plus, definitely you will get in the Iconic. But these are some additional things which you will only get in case of Iconic subscription model. And the best part of the Iconic is choose your personal coach. Choose your personal coach. Suppose there are 20 number of educators in computer science who are teaching you for the GATE, then you can choose any one of them as your personal coach, who will assist you to solve your doubt, who will keep you motivated, who will guide you every time, who will solve your problems, and who will just stay behind you till your exam is completed. Got it? So this is the meaning of personal coach. You can select any one of the coach, any one of the teacher as your personal coach. So this kind of subscription model is basically useful, or you can say basically beneficial to those kind of students who are conceptually weak and who are not very much confident. Okay, so, and that category of students almost belongs to the 90%. Okay, there are 90% students who are not very much confident about their GATE exam, or you can say not very much serious about their GATE exam. So for those kind of candidate, this particular subscription model is much better than plus. Got it? The second advantageous things that you are going to have is the preparatory study material. So you will have a study material in the Iconic subscription model, but not in a plus subscription model. The third one is the personalized test analysis. Personalized test analysis means whatever the test you are appearing for, your test will be evaluated and you will be intimated personally, so that you can find out where you need some improvement. Also, along with your test analysis, you will be guided where you need to put your more efforts. Are you getting my point? So that you can make some improvement, because until and unless we are not able to find out where we are lacking, we cannot improve ourselves. So that kind of guideline will be given to you according to your performance. And the last one is the study planner. Means you will be also guided how to plan your study, in which direction you have to move. So all the things that you are getting in a Iconic kind of subscription. And that's why there is a fee difference of around 40% between the plus and Iconic. So this is, before leaving the introductory session, my dear friends, once again I will tell you, this is my personal code which will be useful to unlock the free special classes, which will be useful for the subscriptions, not only for the GATE and ESE, but for all kind of competitive exam which is available in Unacademy platform. Suppose some of your friends, colleagues or relatives are looking for the CAT, GRE, UPSC, banking, SSC, JE, IIT, JE, NEET, whatever it is, UGC, NET, whatever it is, you can suggest all of them to use the code IFA to get minimum, how much? 10% discount. Got it? So that's all about the introductory part. Now let's start the subject. Let's crack it. This is the slogan. Now, this is the theory of computation part 7, regular expression. So already I have told you this is the complete series of theory of computation. Till now, we have covered from part 1 to part 6. Today I am going to start the part 7. So the topic is the regular expression and we will try to learn some interesting thing about the regular expression. Okay. So just see over here. Just see over here. See, till now we have seen if the language is given. See, till now we have seen if regular language is given, then how to convert the regular language into a regular expression. Into a regular expression. So, in both the situation, either you are writing a regular language or you are representing a regular language into a regular expression. For both the situation, there exists a machine that is called the DFA. That is called the DFA. That is the deterministic finite automata. So now to onwards, what we will try to see, if the regular expression is given, then how to convert the regular expression into a DFA. See, how to convert regular expression into DFA, because our ultimate motive is to convert the regular expression into a DFA. We need a machine which can accept the particular set of strings which is represented by the regular expression. So ultimately we have to understand how to convert a regular expression into a DFA. So my dear friends, I'm just drawing a diagram. You just remember it. Okay. See, always remember this cycle because this is the very simple. If there is NFA given, then you can convert the NFA into a DFA. Yes or no? You can convert the NFA into a DFA. If DFA is given, then you can minimize it. We can find out the minimized DFA. Minimized DFA. And from the DFA, we can easily find out the regular expression using Ardent Theorem. So I will talk about the Ardent Theorem. Okay, what is the Ardent Theorem? If DFA is given, then you can easily find out the regular expression corresponding to the DFA. Now from the regular expression, it is very easy to design a NFA. So this is the cycle which you have to remember. So that whenever the problem is given, you can just imagine this cycle and you can solve any kind of problem. Got it, everyone? Now, our today concern is if the regular expression is given, then how to design a DFA. See, either you can design a DFA directly or you can just convert the regular expression into a NFA. From the NFA, you can convert the NFA into a DFA. So we are starting from the regular expression and we are trying to make a DFA. So just see over here. See, design DFA for following regular expression. Okay, suppose the first question is given as this. The regular expression R1 is given as 111 plus 11 whole star. So my dear friends, before designing a DFA, you have to find out the set of strings which can be generated by this regular expression. Suppose this is the A and this is the B. Then from this regular expression, you can create a epsilon. Okay. Can one be generated? You can we generate the single one from this? No. Can we generate the 1 square? Yes. Can we generate 1 to the power 3? Yes, by the single A. Can we generate 1 to the power 4? Yes. Can we generate 1 to the power 5? Yes, by the AB. By the AB, it can be generated. Can we generate 1 to the power 6? Yes. Can we generate 1 to the power 7? Yes. Means all the strings can be generated. Means this is the set of string. This is the set of string. Set of string. Already we have seen a similar kind of problem yesterday. This is the set of string, and in this set of string only the single one does not belongs. So how to represent this set of strings? This can be represented by 1 to the power n, where n is greater than equal to 0 and n is not equal to 1. Not equal to. So how to design a DFA for such kind of languages? So epsilon is accepting, so it will become a final state. Can it can this regular expression contain the single one? No. So the single one should be rejected. How to reject it? Make it non-final state. Double one is generating by the regular expression, so it will be accepted by the corresponding DFA. After that, all the ones are generating, so all the strings will be accepted. So this one will become the final DFA. This one will become the final DFA. Now let's come to the another problem. Okay, question number 2. The regular expression is given as, suppose a plus b whole star a. So what does this regular expression representing set of all strings over ab ending with a? So to just represent the set of all strings over ab, what you can do? You can just represent it by this, and ending with a. Ending with a. So this is the ending with. Of course, this is not a DFA. This is the NFA. This is the NFA. Now you can convert the NFA into a DFA. I'm not going to describe these things because already I have discussed how to convert the NFA into a DFA. Ultimate, our motive is to design a DFA. Since the NFA is not useful for any kind of application, so we need to design a DFA for any kind of languages or the regular expression. So if NFA exists, you can convert the NFA into a DFA. See the third kind of problem. See the third kind of problem. See, the regular expression is given as, suppose it is given as a whole star. A whole star. So what does this representing? This is representing odd number of A's. Odd number of A's. And what kind of strings? It will contain single A to the power 3, A to the power 5 and so on. So how to design a DFA? See, the single A is generating, so you need to accept the single A. You need to accept a single A. Double A is not generating, so the double A will be rejected. Triple A will be accepted. From this final state, we can reach by the single A to the power 3, by the A to the power 5, means all these strings will be accepted by this final state. So this one will become the final DFA. So before making the DFA, you need to understand what kind of input symbol is given inside the regular expression. In this situation, the set of input symbol is only A. But in this situation, the set of input symbol is A as well as B. So you need to look upon the set of input symbol before designing a DFA for any regular expression. Now I am creating a next regular expression. This is the 4. Okay. See, the regular expression is given as AB whole star and plus BA whole star. Means what kind of string it will contain? Either alternate AB or alternate BA. containing the even length. So how to design a DFA? How to design a DFA? Please try to understand. Please try to understand how to design a DFA. See, this is the AB whole star. Means if you are taking a single A, it will never be accepted. So this one will become the non-final state. Of course, this set of strings will contain the epsilon because there is a star. So initial state will be a final state. Okay. Now, single A is not generating by this regular expression, so it will be rejected. Double A is generating, AB is generating by this regular expression, so the AB will be accepted. Fine. Again, from this particular loop, what kind of string it will accept? It will accept the AB whole star. Okay. So I'm just solving the sub problem of this. Okay. I'm just solving the sub problem of this. From this DFA, it can accept this set of regular expressions. Similarly, if you want to accept this regular expression, that is the problem number 2. The regular expression is BA whole star. Okay, BA whole star. So how you can make it? Of course, initial state will be a final state. See over here. And taking a B, it will be rejected, and again taking a A, it will be accepted. See, what is the definition of DFA? If you are trying to construct a DFA, what is the definition of DFA? At every state, there should be a unique transition for every input symbol. See, in this initial state, there is a transition for the A, but there is no transition for the B. That's why for the input symbol B, you have to migrate into a dead state. You have to migrate into a dead state. This is the A comma B. In this state, transition of B is given, but not for A. So for the A, you have to come over here. So this one will become the final DFA. This one will become the final DFA. Similarly, in this state, at the initial state, transition of A is not given. So you have to make a transition. Again, take self loop of AB. In this state, transition of A is given. So make the transition of B. So this one will become the DFA for the above regular expression. But we need to design a DFA for the entire regular expression. You need to design a DFA for the entire regular expression. Then how to design it? See. Of course, initial state will be a final state because the regular expression is containing epsilon. Okay. Apart from that, it is containing AB, and so on. Similarly, BA, and so on. So this set of strings is containing by this regular expression. So see over here. Is single A will be accepted? No. Again, AB will be accepted? Yes. So we will make this as a final state. Means AB will be accepted. Again, AB means this from this path you can accept AB whole star. From this path you can accept AB whole star. Similarly, think about the BA whole star. Of course, B again A. It will be accepted, and all pair of this will be accepted. So again make it BA. So see over here, BA, any combination of BA will be accepted from here. So from here you can accept BA whole star. By making the initial state as a final state, you are just accepting the epsilon over here, and from this path you can accept this, and from this path you can accept this. See, many students have a confusion, sir, why you are taking this one extra state. Of course, this is still not a complete DFA. Why? Because in this state there is a transition for B, but there is no transition for A. So you have to make a dead state. You have to make a dead state over here. See, from this state you have to come through the B. From this state you have to come through the A. From this state you have to come through the A. And from this state you have to come through the and in this dead state you can take a self loop of A comma B. Means how many states are there? There are number of states will be how much? 6. There will be 6 number of states for this particular DFA. If you want to find out the minimum number of states, what you can do? You can minimize it. You can minimize it. So after the minimization, there is a possibility the minimum number of states will be remain 6 or it will be 5 or 4. That you need to check. See, I am solving this problem by the another method which mostly students do the mistake. See, what the regular expression is given, AB whole star plus BA whole star. Most of students, what they do, they make the initial state as a final state and see, A will be rejected and B will be accepted. Again, B will be rejected and A will be accepted. And from here, if you are giving an input symbol B, you are moving to the dead state. And from here, if you are giving an input symbol A, it will be rejected. And in this state, there will be a self loop of A comma B. See, most of students think that from this particular part, we are accepting AB whole star, and from this particular part we are accepting BA whole star. Of course yes, that you are accepting AB whole star from here and BA whole star over here. But if you are merging the loop at the same point, then what will happen? If you will pass the string like this, suppose A B B A, if you will pass the string like this, W is equal to this, it will be accepted. See over here, A B B A, it will be accepted. But this particular string A B B A does not belongs to the above regular expression. So whenever we are designing a DFA, our motive should be whatever the string the regular expression is generating, only those should be accepted, not other string should be accepted. This is our ultimate motive before designing a DFA. But in this situation, what is happening? It is accepting all the string generated by this regular expression, but it is accepting some more string which cannot be generated by the given regular expression. Got it, everyone? So my dear friends, here the question is, what kind of string this regular expression is accepting? What kind of string this regular expression is accepting? Means this particular machine is accepting. See over here, I am giving you a logic. See, whenever you are writing, you are designing a machine DFA, suppose this is the final state, and from this loop you are generating a X, and from this loop you are generating a Y. So ultimately the regular expression accepted by this DFA will be XY whole star, yes or no? So if you are considering X is equal to AB and Y is equal to BA, so it will become AB plus BA whole star. But in a single self loop, you cannot put the two symbol at a time, two concatenated input symbol. So just expand this input symbol. See what I am trying to say. See, if someone is writing inside the self loop A B, we cannot do this. So what we will do, we will create an equivalent DFA. We will create, means this machine will accept AB, 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 yes or no? So this one will remain a final state. So just remove that AB into a single transition. So from the A, you will move to this, and from the B, you will move to this. Are you getting my point? And again, you have to make a DFA. So in this state, on the input symbol B, you have to come to the date state, and in this state on the input symbol A you have to come this state, and here it will become a comma B. So both the machine are equivalent. Both the machine are, if this is the machine M1 and this is the machine M2, both are equivalent, but this is the exact DFA. This is not a DFA, this is the logical machine we are designing, but this is the exact DFA. Got it? So how you can represent this? See, from this particular loop, suppose you are generating X. Suppose this is a one loop. This is the one loop. And this is the another loop. Okay? And both the loop are merging on the same state. So see over here, from this loop, what kind of string we can generate? We can generate A, B. So from here, X is equal to AB, and from this particular loop, suppose you are generating Y. And what is the value of Y? Y is BA. And both are merging at the same point. So the regular expression generated by this DFA will be X plus Y whole star. Now change the instance of X and Y. So it will become AB plus BA whole star. So ultimately from this DFA, this kind of regular expression will be generated. Got it? For this regular expression, already I have constructed the machine over here. So in this way, you have to basically realize and you have to understand. So now what I am doing, I'm just constructing a DFA, and you need to find out the regular expression. See over here. Suppose this one is A, this one is B. This is the machine is given. This one is again B, and this one is A. Okay, this is the DFA which is given. So from the DFA, if you want to write a regular expression, if you want to find out the regular expression, there are two different methods. The first method is you can use the Ardent Theorem. The second method is use basic logic. So at the most of the time, we will try to apply the basic logic while finding out the regular expression from a given DFA. See, my dear friends, whenever the regular expression is given, suppose regular expression is given, what does it mean? All the string that belongs to this regular expression should be accepted. All the string that belongs to this regular expression should be accepted by DFA. And when the string will be accepted, if we reach to the final state, कोई भी string किसी भी DFA से कब accept होगा? Whenever we are reaching to the final state, yes or no? So whenever we are trying to find out the regular expression, it should be corresponding to the final state. Means design regular expression with respect to final state of DFA. So see over here. I'm trying to write the regular expression from this DFA. See, looking upon this DFA, what we are observing, of course, any string will be accepted whenever after the complete scanning we are reaching to the final state. So to reach to the final state, what is the string we basically require? Any combination of A followed by single B means A star B. Suppose this is the state A and this is the state B. So after scanning this, we are reaching to the state B. After scanning A star B, we are reaching to the B. Now, at the state B, what is happening? See over here. Suppose this part is deriving the value X, and all this part is deriving the value Y. So, what is the value of X over here? The value of X is B. And what is the value of Y over here? The value of Y is A, any combination of A and then B. That is the A, any combination of A and then B. Yes or no? So ultimately, from the final state B, we can derive X plus Y whole star. So this one will be the final regular expression. Now change the instance of X and Y. So it will become A star B, and again this one is the B plus A star B whole star. So my dear friends, this one will become the final regular expression for above DFA. If you want to verify, you can check the string. Means all the strings belongs to this regular expression, will be accepted by above DFA. See, if you are designing or if you are writing a regular expression from a given DFA, it will never be unique. Why I am saying this? Please try to understand. Okay. See you. See. Already we have find out one regular expression. Now let's see. Suppose a regular expression is given as this. A plus B whole star ending with B. So how to design from this regular expression? We can design a NFA. So how to design the NFA? Any combination of AB that will be represented by A comma B followed by or ending with B. So this one will become the final state. Suppose this is the state A, this is the state B. Now convert this NFA into a DFA. So how to convert it? In a state A, if we are supplying A, so we are migrating to A. If we are supplying B, then we can migrate to A as well as B. Now in state A, if we are supplying A, we are migrating to A only. And if we are supplying B, we can migrate to A as well as B. Now since B is the final state in NFA, so we will make this state as a final. Suppose this is the machine M2 and assume this is the machine M1. So my dear friends, here machine M1 is equivalent to the machine M2. You can observe this. That both the machine are equal. Means this is the regular expression which belongs to this machine. Okay. So ultimately what we are observing, that the regular expression A star B plus A star B whole star, this is equivalent to A plus B whole star B. Both the regular expressions are equivalent. Okay. and both represent the same machine. Both the regular expressions are equivalent and both represent the same machine. And this kind of question has been asked in GATE 2014. In GATE 2000, once you will look upon that question, you will be able to realize what kind of question they are trying to ask. Got it, everyone? So now see. Okay, fine. Okay, both the regular expressions are equivalent. So what we are observing from here, from all the situation, that for a single DFA machine there exists one or more than one रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन. किसी भी एक सिंगल डीएफए के लिए एक रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन भी हो सकता है या एक से अधिक रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन भी एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है. ठीक है ना. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कुड बी आस्क्ड इन अ थ्योरेटिकल टाइप. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, नाउ let's come to the another problem. Okay, let's come to the another problem. Suppose problem number 5. Suppose the question is given as a plus b, or you can just take 0 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 whole star 1, again 0 plus 1 whole star 1, again 0 plus 1 whole star. So this is the regular expression given, and what does this regular expression is representing? Set of all string containing at least 2 1. So how to represent a machine? See, the first part is generating 0 1 whole star, means set of all string over the input symbol 0 1. So how to represent this? This is the 0 comma 1. Okay, if you are considering single one, you are migrating to this state. Again, set of all string over 0 and 1, so it will become 0 1, again followed by 1. So definitely it will be accepted, and here set of all string over 0, so this one will become the NFA. Already I have told you we can easily convert the regular expression into a NFA. Now we know how to convert the NFA into a DFA. So just look upon this. From this particular state you can generate 0 1 whole star, and from here to here you can migrate taking a input symbol 1. Again from here you can generate 0 plus 1 whole star, and from here to here you can migrate taking a 1. Again from this state you can generate the 0 plus 1 whole star. So this is the logic. This is the logic for designing a DFA. Similarly, see the question number 6. See, in the question number 6 it is given that 0 plus 1 whole star followed by 0 1 plus 0. Okay, 0 1 plus 0. So once you will expand this, what you will get? You will get 0 plus 1 whole star, and this is the 0 1 plus 0 0, means it is either ending with 0 1, set of all string over 0 1, which is ending with 0 1 or 0 0. How to design a DFA? See over here, this is basically representing set of all string over 0 1, and you know how to represent this. This is the 0 comma 1. So the next symbol should be 0. So by taking 0 you are again reaching to the non-final state, and the next symbol is 1 plus 0. So how to represent this? This is the 1 or 0, and you are moving to the final state. So this one will become the final NFA for the above regular expression. So just see over here. From here we are generating 0 plus 1 whole star, and from here to here we are generating 0 dot, and from here to here we are generating again 0 plus. So this is the regular expression and this is the final NFA, and you know how to convert the NFA into a DFA. So no need to design a DFA. Already I have taught you how to design a DFA from a given NFA. Okay, see the next problem. See the next problem. See, if the regular expression is given as, if the regular expression is given as 0 plus 1 to the power n, where n is positive integer constant. Positive. Okay, before solving this numerical, this is the question that were asked in GATE 2005. So all the numerical that I am solving over here, most of them belongs to the GATE numerical. Okay, so never be confused. Please try to learn, because if you learn the basic concept, you would be able to solve each and every kind of problem. So just see over here. This is the question number 6. So it is given as regular expression is equal to this, where n is the positive integer constant. See, if I am considering n is equal to 1, then the DFA will look like this. Either 0 or 1 will be accepted. So this one will become the final state. Of course, after that none of the string will be accepted, so you need to design a steady state and it will become this. Okay, similarly, if I am considering n is equal to 2, so definitely it will become 0 plus 1 concatenated with 0 plus 1. Fine. So the DFA will look like this. First of all, 0 plus 1, so this one is the 0 or 1. Again 0 plus 1, so it one will become 0 or 1 and it will be accepted. So this one will become the final state. After that none of the string will be accepted, so you have to make a dead state. You have to make a dead state. This is the dead state. So what we are observing from here, from this particular transition, we are creating the 0 plus 1. From this particular transition we are creating the 0 plus 1 dot. From this particular transition we are again creating the 0 plus 1, and ultimately we need to reach to the final state, because all the string that the regular expression is generating we should accept. So what we are observing from here, if we are considering n is equal to 1, then the number of states is 3. If we are considering n is equal to 2, then the number of state is 4. If it is the n, then the number of states in DFA will be n plus, and you know how to design a DFA. Fine. So, and this is the question that were asked. This is the question asked in 2000, GATE 2000. Okay. So let's come to the another problem. So if anyone is there, you can just ping me. Okay, fine. See over here. Now I'm just considering one another example. See, it is given as, suppose problem number 6. It is given as B star A, again A plus B whole star. How to design a DFA? See, the first thing, we are creating any combination of B. How to create any combination of B? By taking a self loop. So by taking a self loop over the input symbol b, you can create any combination of b. After that, we are taking a. So we should reach to the final state, because the minimum string that could be generated by this regular expression is a, or it could be a ba, or it could be a aa. Are you getting my point? All this string means this is the minimum string. So the machine should accept this string, so we are accepting this, and after this any combination of ab is generating to take the a. So in this situation, only in this situation, we are directly able to design a DFA. See over here, from this particular state we are able to generate any combination of b star. By this transition you can generate a, and this is the dot means concatenation, and by this state you are able to generate a plus b whole star. So this one will become the ultimate regular expression, which is nothing but this, which is nothing but this. So it might be possible for most of the situation you would be able to design a DFA directly from the given regular expression. Now suppose if the regular expression is given as a plus b whole star. So starting with a and ending with a, starting with a and ending with a, how to design? So just start with a. I'm solving various problems so that you will feel confident. Whenever the question will be asked, you will feel very much confident. And in between, any combination of AB can appear. And if you are ending with A, it should be accepted. So from here, we are generating A dot. From here, we are generating A plus B whole star and dot. From here, we are generating A. So this is the final regular expression from the above NFA. So this is the machine NFA. Now you know how to convert the NFA into a DFA. And if they are asking about the minimum number of states, then you can find out the minimized. You can find out the minimized DFA. Clear, everyone? So just see over here. Now what I am doing, I am giving you a DFA, you have to find out the regular expression. Okay, this is the question. Find regular expression from given DFA. Okay, so DFA is given like this. B A and again B, and this one is A. So looking upon this DFA, I think you are realizing something. What kind of string this DFA will accept? Set of all strings over AB in which the number of A's, counting of A, is divisible by 2. Means this DFA accept the language like this. W belongs to AB whole star, where number of A in W mod 2 is equal to 0. If the counting of A is divisible by 2, then it will be accepted. So my dear friends, again, since initial state is the final state, so you can consider two different loops. You can consider two different loops. One from here, suppose this part is generating X, and second from here, and just imagine this is generating Y. You need to only find out the value of X and Y. You need to only find out the value of X and Y. What is the value of X over here? This is the single B. What is the value of Y over here? A, any combination of B and again A. A, any combination of B, that is the B star and again A. So from this state, what we can derive? From this state, we can derive X plus Y. We can derive the regular expression X plus Y whole star. So ultimately replace the value of x, that is the b and plus a, b star, and again a whole star. So inside the GATE exam, what kind of question they could ask? The language will be given, not the DFA. The language could be given and you have to find out the corresponding regular expression. If the language is given, then the corresponding regular expression will look like this. If the language is given, then the corresponding regular expression will be this, and that one will be your final answer. Got it? So suppose I am considering one more example. See over here. I am considering one more example. Suppose the language is given as W belongs to AB whole star, where number of A in W mod 3 is equal to 0. So of course you know how to design a DFA for this particular language, and you are asking to find out design regular expression, or not design, you can use the appropriate word that find the regular expression. Find regular expression for L. Okay, so first of all you need to design a DFA to find out the regular expression. So any combination of B, you can take a self loop. Again this one is A, and again any combination of B, this one is A, and any combination of B. Okay, and if again you are taking A, then it will be accepted. So how to design a DFA? How to write a regular expression? Suppose this part is, concept is same. This part is deriving the value x, and from this part you are deriving the value y. So you can see over here the value of x is nothing but b, and what is the value of y? The value of y is a, b star, again a, b star, and again a. Got it? A, b star, a, b star, a. Are you getting my point or not? So this is the things you are getting from the right hand side. So from this final state corresponding to this final state, if we will try to write the regular expression, what kind of regular expression we can find it out? That is the x plus y whole star. So this is nothing but, what is the value of x over here? This is the single b, and plus a, b star, again a, b star, and again a star, and this one will become your final answer. This one will become your final answer. Now I'm just modifying the question. I'm trying to ask one more numerical, and that will be the final numerical of the today's class. Okay, suppose the question is given like this: n is equal to W belongs to AB, A comma B whole star, where number of A in W mod 3 is equal to 1, and find regular expression for L. So to find out the regular expression for L, you have to first of all design a DFA. You have to first of all design a DFA. Of course, initial state will never be a final state because the mod value is 1. So if you are taking a single A, it should be accepted. If you are taking a double A, it should be rejected. Means single A, 4A, 7A, all these strings will be accepted. Okay. So only this state, because already you know about this, that this is the remainder state 0, R0. This is the remainder state R1. This is the remainder state R2. So if the remainder value we are achieving is R1, then only the string will be accepted. And in all the state, it will be a self loop of B. So if you know how to design a DFA, then you can easily find out the regular expression. There are two different methods. Already I have told you The first method is the Ardent Theorem. The second method is the basic logic. So either you can apply the Ardent Theorem that I will teach you in tomorrow class, and or the alternate method is you can apply your basic logic. So my dear friends, by the basic logic, how we can find it out? See, to reach to this particular state, what is the minimum string we will require? We will require any combination of B followed by single A. So I am just trying to writing a regular expression. See, that is the B star A. Now from this state, suppose this loop is deriving a value x, and from this loop we are deriving a value y. So the value of x is B and the value of y is A, B star, again A, B star, and again A. See over here, A, B star, A, B star, and A. So ultimately after this it will be a x plus y whole star. So what you can write? You can write B star A. What is the value of x? That is the B, plus this one is what? The value of y is A, B star, A, B star, whole star. So this one will become the final regular expression. And once again, if you will apply the Ardent Theorem, it might be possible you will get the same regular expression, or you might get the some other regular expression. Already I have told you, for a single machine, there could be a one or more than one regular expression that could exist. Got it, everyone? So my dear friends, I hope you enjoy the today's session, because I have just considered a various interesting numerical related with the regular expression and the corresponding DFA and NFA. So that's all for today. Again, we will meet on tomorrow. If you are really liking this video, never forget to use the code IFA to get the subscription and to get the minimum 10% discount. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Hit the bell icon button to get all the notification. Don't forget to put your valuable comments, because your one valuable comments will inspire a lot of students. Thank you very much. Stay happy. Good night.